In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the No Limit Drag Racing 2 mod menu, latest version, fully working on both iOS and Android devices. This method gives you access to all the in-game features and enhancements, including unlimited money and coins on iPhone and Android. As you can see on your screen, this No Limit Drag Racing 2 mod menu unlocks a wide range of options. These include free shopping and upgrades, unlimited cash and coins, unlock all maps, unlock all cars, and many additional features that significantly enhance gameplay. Before we get started, make sure your No Limit Drag Racing 2 game is updated to the latest version. To do this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for the game, and check if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to continue. Next, scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. In that comment, I explain step-by-step where and how to get No Limit Drag Racing 2++. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.